Today I'm here to talk about the relative news of Counter-Strike Global Offensive. Now we're talking about them getting rid of Nuke and replacing it with Train, the new Train. I believe the old Train was completely CT-sided, and none of the T's could really do anything about that, so I guess if you watched Warowl's Train, you would know it's on life support and they had to take it down one day, and then, then they came back with it on Christmas time, and then now it's coming to competitive pools.
Are you there?
So basically, Nuke has been here since 1.6, and for all you guys here, 1.6 was actually the first Counter-Strike. Also, I used to play 1.6 at my cousin's house. Yeah, I'm kinda old. Not really, my voice hasn't changed at all. Anyways, Nuke was, I believe, it's completely CT-sided still. You basically guard all of this right here, basically. It wasn't really that good. Also, you could guard Heaven really easily. You just had to walk up here and you just start sniping people with your Bison. Actually, no one would do that.
What's happening?
You would only do that with like an M4 or a FAMAS or an AUG if you really wanted to be those scoping noobs or whatever. Ugh. Alright, anyways. Right now I want to talk about Nuke. I mean, Nuke is like a special map. It's been here like Dust 2 and Inferno. I mean, those are like the OG maps of Counter-Strike. They're like the OG maps. I mean, Dust 2, I believe, is the most popular map right now relative to this video. Also, I believe Nuke and Inferno are somewhat CT-sided because of CTs having a really easy place to guard and how the map is set up for CTs for both of these maps. So let's go in with CTs. I mean, every Nuke loadout that I've played out, I guess, many people usually guard here. I mean, outside, sorry.
Are you there?
I see CTs at Heaven all the time. Maybe some going to A and then, like, push the door. I mean, I don't really suggest pushing a door unless you're really that aggressive and you have a really powerful weapon. I suggest pushing should be done with an M4A4. So next we have,
what do you see?
Maybe like 2 people or 3 people coming here. One might be inside here at rafters and checking this area. I mean, this place is a good sniping area after all. And then maybe 2 people check in the side room, and then an M4 pusher could come in here and then go here. So why am I talking about this? It's because if you play Counter-Strike, you might as well know all the news going on. I mean, if you're a dedicated player, you might as well know the news. So, lastly, a person that could be outside. At B, they could come down really fast as a CT and go through these doors or go through the vents. And then they could just kill the T's really easily. Another thing I've also seen is hiding in toxic. Look at these barrels. You can get like a lot of radiation just from standing on this stuff. So what I've seen people do is like hide on this corner and then close it again on me. Yeah, it's pretty crazy and toxic here. I obviously think they should somewhat rework Nuke, like how they reworked Train, because Nuke is an OG map. It's a really old map and it's really nice, but can be updated. I mean, this isn't 1.6 anymore, am I right, guys? Yeah. Anyways, I think that wraps up this video. I hope you guys like this video. Also, please tell me what you think. Please subscribe if you want. Yeah, see ya.